In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your laptop model and model number. Knowing your exact laptop model is really useful. It helps when you're downloading the right drivers, buying compatible parts like RAM or a charger, or even just looking up solutions to technical problems. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through several reliable ways to find your laptop's model information, using simple steps you can follow at home. Let's start with the easiest place to look: the outside of your laptop. First, shut down your laptop completely and unplug the charger. Close the lid and carefully turn the laptop over. On the bottom, you'll usually find a printed label or a small sticker. This label often includes the brand name, the series, and the exact model number. It might be near a vent, close to the battery area, or centered on the underside. Take your time and read everything on that sticker. The model number can include a mix of letters and numbers, and may be labeled as model, product, or model gnome. If you see several long codes, the shorter one that looks like a typical product name is usually the right model number. If there's no clear label on the bottom, check around the keyboard and screen. Some laptops print the model series near the keyboard, on the palm rest, or on the screen frame just below the display. This might not give the full detailed code, but it often tells you the series, which can still be helpful when searching online. Next, let's look inside your operating system. If you're on Windows, you can use a quick built-in command. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type System Information, and open the app with that name. In the System Summary tab, look for System Model. The text next to it is your laptop's model number. You can write this down or take a picture with your phone so you don't forget it. Another option is to use the command line. Press the Windows key, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Then type a short command to show your system details. The result will list your system manufacturer and system model. Again, that model entry is what you're looking for. Finally, if you still have the original box or receipt that came with your laptop, the exact model number is often printed there as well. It's usually found on a side sticker of the box or at the top of a sales invoice. By checking the underside of the laptop, the areas around the keyboard, the system information inside Windows, and any original packaging you still have, you'll be able to confidently identify your laptop model and model number whenever you need it.